we would like to reveal the RTI which we have sought from the Ministry, from the Department of Social Welfare and from the Home Department, Government of Meghalaya, regarding the issues which are related to drugs. From the organization, we have filed an RTI with the Home Department, and we have asked this detail to the Home Department, which relates to the detail of initiative taken by the Meghalaya Police to combat drugs and drugs trafficking and abuse. Number 2, we have asked the numbers of drugs related cases which have been registered and disposed in these 3 years by the Police Department. And we have also asked the detail of awareness program which are being conducted by the social welfare in the 7 districts of the Khasi and Jante Hills. And we have also asked about the specialized team, which is whether there is any specialized team being established by the state government to combat these drugs related cases in the state. And we have also asked the budget allocated for drugs related tasks, and also the number of personnel have been designated for drugs related tasks. And as per the reply which we have got from the Home Department, they have replied to us that in these 5 years, the total of arrests which is being made by the Police Department is 514 arrests till date, and the number of cases registered and disposed in all the 7 districts of the Khasi and Jante Hills, the number of cases being registered is 303, and the number of cases being disposed is 238. And the number of, we have also asked the number of convictions secured by the Home Department, and they have replied to us that during these 5 years, out of 514 cases, out of 514 accused, and out of 303 cases registered, till date the Police Department have been able to secure only 23 convictions. And we have also asked regarding the budget allocated for the budget. We have also asked for the budget allocated to be utilized for drugs related tasks. And we have, as per the reply which we have got from the Social Welfare Department, the government of Meghalaya for the past 1 year, that is for the session 2023 and 2024, have allocated the budget of which is around 6 crore 90 lakhs. And out of this 6 crore 90 lakhs, the government has been able, through the Department of Social Welfare, have been able to implement and utilize the amount only 6 crore 67 lakh 6,132. And when we have asked about how did the government, how did the department have implemented these schemes, and we have not get any specific reply regarding the utilization of this amount, but they have provided us that out of this total sanction amount, the government of Meghalaya has invested in the DREAM project, which is a project which is recently launched by the government of Meghalaya to combat these drugs related cases. And in the DREAM project, the government of Meghalaya have invest 1 crore rupees, and 5 crore 40 lakhs the government of Meghalaya has invested in the intervention program for anti-drugs campaign. And the government, the Department of Social Welfare has also utilized this amount, which is around 20 lakhs for celebration of Anti-Drugs Day program, which is a single day program. And apart from this amount, they have also utilized the amount for grant and aid to voluntary organization for anti-drugs campaign, which is around 30 lakhs. And our question is that, as per the RTI, we would like to put a question to the government. If they are very serious in these drugs-related cases, which have been increasing at a very alarming rate in the state, then why is the figure we have just recently saw in the assembly that the concerned minister, Paul Lyngdoh, who is the minister in charge of the social welfare, we have present before the assembly that the number of drugs addicts in the Meghalaya have increased from the figure 2 lakh to 3 lakh. And if the government have implemented this such huge amount for 1 year, that is, which is almost estimated to be 7 crores, then why is the figures has been increasing? In fact, if they have invested this much of amount, the number of figures should have decreased, but it's very questionable to the government. And also it is questionable also to the police department. We would like to question to the police department, because as per the RTI, which we have said, we have also asked the detail, how much the quantity of drugs they have disposed of in these 5 years. But it is very and as per the RTI reply which we have received is that and as per the RTI reply which we have received, we have got this information that the total number of drugs which have been disposed as per under the NDPS Act here in these 5 years. This is the record of these 5 years. Heroin is only 1.322 kgs. Ganja is 614.85 kgs, and opium is 0.284 kgs, and syrup 778 numbers, and other tablet is 0.674 kgs, and another tablet which falls under the NDPS are 44 numbers. And our question is that where does the police department have kept these drugs which they have able to seize? This is a very questionable, because when we see the number of cases also have been disposed is around 238 out of 303 cases which they have registered, and when we compare regarding the number and the rate of arrest is very high compared. Like they have arrested around 514 accused, but they have been able to secure conviction only 23 in these 5 years. And and this seems that the government, the police department, the government as a whole, they have failed to when it comes to this issue, to tackle the drugs issue, which have been increasing at a very alarming rate in the state. And this is the reason, maybe because as per our RTI also, we have sought that if there any specialized team, because so far executed the work when it comes to the drugs related cases. And we have asked whether this is a specialized force established by the state government. And as per the reply, it is mentioned that there is no specialized force established by the government to combat these drugs related cases. And our question is that we have seen in the recent years when the terrorism has been increasing in the Garo Hills, we have seen that the government is very has a separate force which is known as SF-10 to combat the terrorism issues out there in Garo Hills. But why can't the government create a similar separate force to combat these drugs related cases in the state? This is a question, like, because we have seen that the government and even the general masses, they have put a question that maybe, and we have seen some of the politicians who they have expressed their views that it is the handiwork of some of the high-profile people who are in the government, and it seems that